Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art, and I'm Mr. Woods, and I'm so glad that you're joining me for another origami episode. And this one's going to be the most happening one yet, because I'm going to teach you, my friends at home, how to make your very own leaping frog. Materials you're going to need beside your hands is some origami paper. So find the materials and let's begin. So to start this origami frog, you'll need a sheet of paper, and it needs to be a square. My origami paper that I have a color and texture on both sides, so this is going to be pretty awesome. First thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. So roll, hold, and then crease. And then we're going to fold at an angle right here. Line it up with the edge of the paper. Get a nice solid crease on that as well. Open it back up. Do the same thing the other direction. And so now I have an X where they cross over. I'm going to turn this paper and I'm going to fold right across that X. Crease that down. And that's going to help create this triangle. So let me turn this around here. Here's the triangle part. Right at the top, kind of like a peak of a house, the roof of a house. And then we're going to take this section on the left and we're going to angle it up. And we're going to do the same thing on the right side. Go on up. And I'm going to take this left side and I'm going to fold it in. I'm just going to go slightly under. Just kind of roll a little bit. Go towards the middle. Hold it. Fold it down and then go ahead and crease it. Do the same thing on the right side. And you want them parallel, so look at it before you fold it down. Make sure the gap's the same. Top to the bottom. Crease that down as well. Now we're going to take the bottom and we're going to fold it right here, right underneath the little front legs of our frog. We're going to fold it, crease it, and then we're going to do the same thing, go in that opposite direction so you can see where the head is. It's going to fold and it's going to just even up at the very end, so it folds down to a little kind of almost a square. And then I'll be able to turn this over. Here's what my frog looks like. You can see it all the way around. And then if you press down, he's supposed to leap. So just practice with him, see what happens. Woo. Hey my friends, I'm so happy you decided to join me for another origami episode right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. And after you fold your very own leaping frog, make sure you take a picture of it and post it onto my Facebook page. And check back here for some more awesome origami videos. But until then, keep being original, keep being creative. Most importantly, keep having fun. And remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.